deux, trois, quatre. I can't help thinking about you. Keep crawling back inside my mind, babe. I rendezvous back where I found you. Maybe our schedules synchronize now. All I wanna do is get close to you, but you keep on pushing me back. We both know what we're supposed to do. Yes, man, that's a matter of fact. 'Cause if it feels good, baby, we should do it. If it feels right, we should get down to it. We don't waste no time getting intertwined. If it feels good, just do it. Ooh, ooh, get to it. If it feels good, just do it.
Janica, Icy, Bobby, and now magiging asawa ko na. At last, dumating na rin yung araw na matagal ko nang pinagdarasal. Up until now, naaalala ko pa rin yung malakas mong tawa, yung ilong mong natibok-tibok kapag humahalakha ka.
Run my fingers through your hair, tell me you like it. I think I should leave, but I can't fight it. Something in my chest is beating so violent. Something in my chest is beating so violently.
We are gathered here today in the presence of our loving God, families, friends, and loved ones, and to celebrate one of life's greatest moments, especially in the life of Sean and Janica.
Hello po. Ano na po?
Sean, Bobby, we are often asked how we met because who would have thought na yung lalaki pa lang lagi lang namin nakikitang nakatambay sa office ng IT Dean's office. Yun pala yung taong makakasama kong haharap sa altar at mangangakong makakasama habang buhay.
There's always something about the way that your curls blow in the orchard. There's always something about the way that your curls blow. There's always something about the way that your curls blow in the orchard. There's always something about the way that your curls blow.
When you first replied to my IG story, I thought it was just a simple reply that I'll just respond with an emoji reaction. But it didn't end just there. We started talking every day. That adds a reason for me to excitedly wake up each day and sleep late at night. You shared your life with me and I did the same.
You taste like tangerine.
Go up! You want to go up! Thank you, Mom. Mahal na mahal kita.
I did not know you yet, but I already prayed for you. I remember one of our life group sessions. Hindi pa tayo nag-uusap that time. Tinanong ako ni Kuya Jonas. Sabi niya sa akin, Sean, may nagugustuhan ka na ba? Sabi ko, wala pa. Pero instead na nagreto siya sa akin, ang sabi niya sa akin, kahit wala pa, kahit hindi mo pa ikilala, ipag-pray mo na. Ipag-pray mo na maging safe siya. Ipag-pray mo na i-bless siya. Ipag-pray mo na ilid ka ni Lord sa kanya. Truly, God's plan is always the best and perfect plan. And ikaw yung binigay niya.
What a wondrous thing I could stand to say. 'Cause when I fall to my knees, you're the one who pulls me up again. What a mystery that you notice me amid a crowd of 10,000. You don't miss a thing. Oh, you don't miss a thing. When you sigh, the wind becomes a sonnet.
You once told me na kahit yung pain na pinagdadaanan natin ay may dahilan why God let it happen. And meeting you was one of my best answered prayer. When I prayed to God during those nights that I was hurting, He gave me you.
Ikaw, Miss Janica Concepcion San Diego, tinatanggap mo bang lalaking kahawak kamay mo sa pangalang Mr. Sean Daniel Baniqued Lavinia bilang iyong nag-iisang asawa sa harap ng Diyos ng inyong mga magulang sa banal na sakramento ng kasalang ito?
Yes po, Pastor. Alam ko, hindi naman bago sa atin magmahal. Pero alam ko, iba to. It's different. It is a love built on prayers and faith in Him, knowing that we are each other's answered prayers.
Simula pa lang ito ng journey natin as a married couple. But I promise to be the husband that God calls me to be. Janica, Bobby, you are the greatest gift from God. I will love you with all my heart for all the rest of my life. Mahal na mahal kita.
No place I can hide that you don't see. When I misunderstood, your love understands me. You see it all, you see it all. You're in everything.
Ikinagagal ako pong ipakilala sa inyo, Mr. and Mrs. Lavinia, ang bagong kasal. Sir, the most awaited moment in your life. Sir, you may now kiss your bride legally.
You see it all through the eyes of love.
Everyone here today, closest to our hearts, know that our love team song is You'll Be Safe Here. Because Sean, you are indeed my safe place, my home, and I know that I will always be forever be safe with you. I love you so much.
Come and search my heart and make me new, make me new. I wanna be just like